Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Luke, and today we are going to start a project called Picasso's Monkey. So hopefully you watched the two videos that were linked up in the Google Classroom. One was Picasso Loves Shapes, and the other one was a little bit about Picasso and his life. He was the founder of Cubism, which is where they took what you would normally see and broke it down into shapes. And so they had some examples of that. So we're going to do that with a picture of a monkey. And so we do want our paper portrait style like this. And so what we want to do is down here in this area, we are going to draw a nice big circle. And then we will come right here. We're going to draw kind of like the top of a heart. And not the bottom, just have a little humps on the top. And then right here, we're going to make it come around kind of like a light bulb. Okay, and then we'll do a couple of ovals on each side for the ears. And then we're going to make the eyes, so you'll do two circles with smaller circles. And then you want to do curved lines over them for the eyebrows. And then right here we're going to do two ovals. This will be for the nose. Then you do a nice big curved line like that. Okay, so when you do that, you want to create some hair. And so I do them a little far apart at first, because what I want to do next is come in and do smaller ones about half the size, just to give it some variety. And now we want to create a border or a frame, and so I'm going to just do zigzag lines all the way across, and you want to touch. And then turn it and do it this way. Almost like making little triangles. Okay, finishing that up, and so of course now we want to trace it, and so we're going to trace it with black crayon. And so when you trace it, you want to make sure you're pressing down hard, and you want to fill in the nostrils and the middles of the eyes. And then we're going to print this with our tinfoil printing process, so it's going to have lots of color. So we want to pick just one color to come in here, and this is a good time to practice coloring neatly, because you want to color in just the individual. If you go side to side, then you're going to get it all in between here. And so when it's done, it should be white in the middle and then have the color for now around the edge. And so when you finish this, you're going to keep it, and we will catch up with the next part of it next time. So I hope you enjoyed drawing this Picasso monkey, and I look forward to finishing it with you next time. Have a great day.